Hi everyone, I am back to do the reverse larimar again, or maybe successfully completed. I've been pouring it over and over again and getting a different result. I'm going to post a video about it where I just kept recreating the same thing over and over again, but it wasn't the reverse larimar. So I got a different brand of resin. So I thought, let me give this a go with Craft Resin. It's a 1-to-1 lower viscosity resin. So I believe Nicole said she used medium viscosity. Viscosities are so funny. Like, I never know what's medium, low, whatever viscosity. I feel like this is a low viscosity. I feel like J Diction, which is what I was using, is a higher viscosity than this. So this shouldn't work, but I can get a larimar every single time with this resin. Can I get a reverse larimar? We will see. So the first thing I did in anticipation of it working is paint the edge with this Purple Spell Shimmer Effect powder from Layres, just with my little makeup brush. Then I just put 1.5 ounces in here because this is going to be for the bottom of my mold. Then I divided the rest of 6.5 ounces of resin into this. So it's a total of 6.5 ounces, 1.5 in here, so that's really 5. Y'all get it, right? All right, so normally Nicole does a clear, but I'm gonna add 1 drop of Octopus Fluids Aronia to it to make the clear colored just slightly. And then I'm gonna give it a good mix up. And then I'm gonna dump it in the mold. And I'm hoping that it just barely covers, and that's what I was thinking, just enough to cover the bottom of the mold. While it's moving, I'm gonna mix up my other colors. So I have Liquitex Acrylic Ink, Prism Violet, and I'm gonna add 3 drops to this, hoping I don't make it too heavy. Give it a good mix up. Maybe I should have only done 2 drops, but we'll see. You know, it's so hard. It's also mold depth, temperature, and I mentioned viscosity, weight of colors. But I believe she used a Liquitex and Octopus Fluids Resin ink, so this should work. Now, for this one, I'm doing 2 drops of Aronia because this is actually going to be like my push, but with a little color. Hopefully just a little more than what we just poured in the center. So that's that one. And then I am using Octopus Fluids Resin Ink Gnocchi. And I am gonna do 12 drops, I think. I was gonna do 15, but I backed off. Oh, I did around 13. It came out kind of fast. Kept going, and I forgot that I wasn't doing 15 until I did 13. We want it to be a gray white, not a bright white. Let's see, that's pretty gray. I'm gonna go ahead and add those 2 more drops to take me up to 15. Or thereabouts, just because it makes me feel better. Those 2 drops are not gonna make a huge difference. All right, so I'm gonna stand up to do this. Let's see, is this, I wanna make sure it's all where it's gonna go before I start pouring. All right, so the white goes in on top of the transparent center, or first layer, whatever you wanna call it. And then our dark color. And then what should be our lighter color to fill the rest of the mold. I already have the mold pretty full, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna stop there. It's almost empty anyway. All right. You can see where the crevices of the mold it moved over into. This mold's from Julie Cuts, in case you're wondering. I believe it's the Ice Edge mold. All right, so I'm watching it move to the center. I grabbed a couple of different bits because I wasn't really sure what the colors were going to look like. I have these purplish ones. These I think are too light. And then I have these that are a little darker. I think these win. Take a little scoop of them. Pop them into what I think might be the center. All right, so far it looks exactly like my other pours. So I may be getting exactly the same thing as I have been getting. I don't know. In any event, we'll be back when it's time to unmold it. All right, time to see how this worked out. It looks like my back's in my other ones that I did with the other resin, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it worked out. All right. I'm scared to turn it over. All right, it's the moment of truth. Oh, wow. I love the purple in this one. It's really cool. The mica powder didn't pop as much, but it's still super pretty, and it is still exactly like I've been pouring them over and over again. I just make the same thing. Maybe I need thicker resin. So I'll wait till I get some thick resin before I make another one.